Alright guys, so today, a little bit of a life lesson. Everything you do in life, you want to buy low and sell high if you want to make that bread. Doesn't always happen in the sneaker industry. Once you wear a sneaker, it comes on DS, and people are not always going to pay above retail as soon as you stick your fat foot in the sneaker and walk around. Today, I also want to show you, just my daily routine and what I do. So we're gonna go head up to the sneaker shop, show you guys around. We're just chilling. It's just Saturday. General too as well. It's springtime. I gotta clean out, the collection a little bit. I don't want to be a sneaker collector. I want to be informative. I want to give you guys the latest news and the information I get. Yeah, we give a shit about what's the newest thing that's coming out. So once it becomes a couple years old or a year old or even months old, and sometimes I buy shoes that I really don't care for and it's not really in my rotation, and few of them I wear a lot and some of them I barely wear. So gotta get rid of a few pairs. Let me show you what I'm getting rid of, and then we'll just head over to the shop, man. We'll chill with those guys. First one I'm going to be getting rid of is the Yeezy Graphie Season 6 Desert Boot. There's new ones coming out. The value of these will tank, so I'm trying to get rid of these as soon as possible so I can get my money. These originally cost $295. I'm gonna try to get them rid of for like $250, so I take a little bit of a loss. But the new Desert Boots that are made by Adidas will be a lot cheaper. We also are getting rid of, I think this is Taupe brown boot. This thing's sick. But again, $295. The next two Yeezys I'm getting rid of, the Belgua 2.0s. These are in excellent condition. I mean, look at them. And you have, the clays, you have the hyperspace, you have the true forms. Probably gonna wear those, and I'm not gonna wear these older V2s. So, and I'm getting rid of these, the blue tints. I just don't like blue tints. I think these are ugly as hell. I just don't like the sole. I don't like the sole. I think the sole looks ugly. These shoes go out of style, so I have to cop the newest thing. It's a life of a YouTuber. Alright, so we got the shoes loaded up here. We are off to the sneaker store. Alright, so let me just give you a little bit of information about us Massachusetts folks. Everyone around here is addicted to Dunkin' Donuts. There is Dunkin' Donuts everywhere around here, and people are so addicted. Starbucks is good, it's way better, but it's more expensive. We are at Dunkin' Donuts. Yeah, can I get a medium hazelnut iced coffee regular, please? Thank you. Ah, that's better. $2.88. You know you're making deals when you're bringing shoes and trash bags. We're gonna make some money today. What we got here, my guy? That's funny, right? Alright, so this is Vic, Shop U7. So if you guys want to cop my shoes, you guys gotta go check out the Instagram. They usually make a post and they ship. Yeah, this is nice. I've never seen these before. This is my first time actually seeing these in person. Right? They're pretty heavy too. They remind me kind of the Triple S. It's clean. Yeah. This is definitely to go out and yeah, you wear those nice go to the bar. Yeah. And we're gonna put all these on consignment. For my boy Roscoe. Staying up that way. Oof. That is a nice shoe right there. I love those. These are pretty nice too. Gore-Tex and the box logo. Too bad that's a large and a medium, but it's like 65 degrees outside. So Vic, what up? How old are you?
Me, I am about to be 25.
He's 25. One of the owners of here, of Shop U7. So guys, if you want to see like a little video, sit down, get to know him, you guys tell him, chop it up. But if you guys want to see that, smash the like button. All right, let me know.
People, Metro's fan, like I rock with Metro, man. What's that right there you got?
Okay, this is the pocket food review. What'd you get? Pizza? Alright, chicken.
Wait.
We're gonna. Is these good stock?
Yeah.
Oh my god, these are tiny. Alright, so the shop is closing down, but here's a rundown real quick to see you guys what came through the store. My blue tins, off-white came through, the Supreme hat, Pharrell, the Clays, the Vapor Maxes, the Supreme North Face bag, and you also got the olive stripes. That's
This shoe right here, like as soon as anybody steps in that shoe, that is all getting cracked. It's over. That's it. It's done.
The fake shoe review.
Yeah, it's pretty nice, man. It's nice. I like that.
Too bad these are fakes.